Rainbow Avenue.
Rainbow Avenue.
Favorite barber.
Favorite barber.
Able to drive.
Able to drive.
Receive your badge.
Receive your badge.
Vanilla bow.
Vanilla bow.
Valentine button.
Valentine button.
Okay, go back to number 5 again. How do you pronounce the word B-O-W-L?
Depends.
Depends, Alejandra.
If you're using it for food, it's a bowl. If you're using it for, it's a bowl.
Okay, where can we find that bowl?
Comfort toilet.
Toilet. Yeah, do not serve with a bowl. Okay.
Number 6. Valentine button.
Valentine button.
Butter and vitamins.
Butter and vitamins.
Better for everyone.
Better for everyone.
Remember to behave.
Remember to behave.
Vacation in October.
Vacation in October.